Coffe.
Vad sa du?
När jag filmar. So yesterday my camera stopped working. Oh, it's no problem. Jag tror inte det är något problem med det. Okay. So yesterday my camera stopped working. I couldn't put pictures or videos on YouTube. And my ring was lost. The whole day was like that. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I found my ring, happily. And my camera started working again. So let's hope that keeps going. What else? Yeah. It's 7 in the evening and I got like 19 or 18 movies to go. I normally start in the morning. So, yeah. High quality movies coming up. Stay tuned. Yeah. Bye bye. And many blessings to the world. Stay lit up always. And by that I mean always keep a good attitude. Everything will turn out okay. Sometimes it feels like it won't, but yeah, never give up hope. Okay, keep going always. Things will turn around sooner or later. Haha. Oh, man. Yeah, it will. I mean, everything's okay. Just keep going. Okay, bye bye. Blessings to the world, as always.